How fast can VinFast VF6 and VF7 charge? Today, we'll cover both the VinFast cars, their actual on-road range, and their charging performance on both AC and DC charging. Now let's start first with the VinFast VF6. It comes with a battery pack of 59.6 kWh and with a claimed range of 468 kilometers, which is almost equivalent to any normal petrol car as well. Now, when you're charging on an AC charger of 7 kilowatt capacity, it'll take roughly around 8 to 9 hours. And when you're charging on a DC fast charger of let's say 100 kilowatt capacity, they claim to charge it from 10 to 70% in just under 25 minutes. Now let's move to the VinFast VF7. Now it comes with two battery pack options. One which is the starting model, which is same as the VF6 as 59.6 kWh, and the other with a larger battery pack variant of 70 kW. Now when charging using a AC charger of 7 kW capacity, it will take roughly around 8 to 9 hours for the 59.6 kW variant and 10 hours for the 70 kW battery variant. Now if you want to have a portable setup, have fast charging at multiple locations, whether it's your home, office or anywhere else, you should go for the portable Avio Pro 7.2 kW or the Dash variant, which is the 7.2 kW also, depending on what kind of features you prefer. Both are compact, highly suitable for your daily use. If you prefer higher convenience, then you should go for the Polar or the all-new Duo series, which give you a lot more features and control over your charging experience in the 7 kilowatt option. So whether it's VF6 or VF7, ZEVpoint have both portable and wall mount options to help you get ready for your everyday journey.